Ready to turn your fry computers into profit machines? Here's how. First up, Piffy, with a satellite miner and GPS dongle, boost your rewards effortlessly. There's a $50 license fee, but use my coupon code ORTMAN10 to save $5. Grab the software at piffy.network. Next, NodePay. Share your bandwidth and earn while running Fry Crypto. Just sign up on their website. Network 3 is another great option for bandwidth sharing. Sign up and start earning alongside your Fry Crypto. Then we've got Blockmesh on the Solana network. Get paid for your unused internet and enjoy new free depin passive income on your PC or phone. Sign up at their website. Don't miss Dawn, the decentralized broadband project using multi-gigabit wireless tech on Solana. Operated by Andrena Wifi, they just raised $18 million from Dragonfly. And don't forget Koi Network, an AI bandwidth sharing node, free to join and run on your Fry computer. Head to their website to get started. Remember to like and share this video. Happy mining!